Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation, a topic about matrices in algebra and trigonometry. We will tackle about the matrix types and operations, which are addition, subtraction, and multiplication. In this video, we will explore the concepts, definitions, and step-by-step solutions to make this topic simple and clear. We'll cover some examples to help you understand how these operations work and the real-world applications. So, get ready to learn and let's dive right into it. So, what is matrices? Matrices are rectangular arrays of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. Each element within the matrix is called an entry. Matrices are widely used in mathematics, engineering, computer science, and many other disciplines. So here, definition of a matrix. A matrix is defined as m number of rows and n number of columns. So as you can see here, we have here an entries, which is the A. And as you can see, meron ditong 11, pero hindi yan 11, A11, which means yung isang 1 is for row and yung isang 1 is for the column. So A, ma-denote natin ito dito sa row 1 and column 1. So next, types of matrices. Types of matrices, number 1, row matrix. A matrix with only one row. So this is the matrix in a row. And we have here a column matrix, a matrix with only one column. So example, this 4, 5, and 6. So the rows is in horizontal lines and columns in vertical lines. A square matrix, a matrix with the same number of rows and columns. Equals to an example, we have here a row and we have here columns, and the size of this is 2 by 2 because we have a 2 rows and 2 columns. A zero matrix, null matrix, all entries are 0. Example, this one. The columns are 0, the entries in the columns are 0, and the entries in the rows are 0. So we have here a diagonal matrix, a square matrix where all elements outside the main diagonal are 0. So example, we have here an example. This diagonal pattern is all 0. Identity matrix, a square matrix with 1 on the main diagonal and zeros elsewhere. So here in the middle, we have here an entries that value is 1 and the rest is 0. So the last one, the transpose of a matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the original matrix. If A equals to the rows of 1, 2, 3 and column of 1, 4. So how to transpose it? The rows, how to transpose? So we will transpose it by the row will be the column and the column will be the row. Just like this. Here is the row, 1, 2, 3. And kapag ita-transpose natin ito, magiging column na siya. So, naging column yung 1, 2, 3, and yung 4, 5, 6 ay naging column na rin. So, dito, pag hindi pa transpose, nasa row sila. Pero kapag na-transpose na, naging column na sila. So, operations on matrices. Operations on matrices, the additional and subtraction. Two matrices of the same dimensions can be added or subtracted by adding subtracting corresponding elements, just like this one. A equals to the matrices of 1, 2, and 3, 4. With B equals to 5, 6, and 7, 8. So how we will add this? We will add the A and B is equals to the row 1, column 1, 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, and 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So here, in the column 2, and in the column 2, we have here a 3 plus 7 is equals to 10, and 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So kapag isasubtract na rin natin, hindi ko nalagay yung example. So a minus b equals 1 minus 5 is equals to negative 4. 2 minus 6 is equals to negative 4. 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 3, and 4 minus 8 is equals to negative 4. Okay, so we have here a answer. The matrix of a plus b equals to 6, 8, and 10, 12. So matrix and multiplication, multiplying two matrices involves taking the dot product of rows and columns. Condition for matrices A, m times n, and b, n times b. The result is c, m times b. So now first we have here a matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. So A times B equals 1 times 5. Kasi kinuha natin to 1 times 5. 2 times plus 2 times 7. 2 times 7. 1 times 6. 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8. 3 times 5 plus 4 times 7. 3 times 6 plus 4 times 8. So we have here an answer. Pero before that, i-add muna natin ito. I-multiply then i-add. 1 times 5 is equals to 6 plus 2 times 7 equals to 14, which is 14 times... No, wala. Sorry. 1 times 5 is equals to 5 plus 2 times 7 equals to 14. So 5 plus 14 is equals to 19. So ito yung kasagutan niya in the column 1 and row 1. And then 1 times 6 is equals to 6 plus 2 times 8 is 16. 6 plus 16 is equals to 22. So ito. 3 times 5 equals to 15 plus 4 times 7. 15 plus 28 is equals to 43. 3 times 6 is equals to 18 plus 4 times 8 is equals to 32. So 18 plus 32 is equals to 50. So that's it guys. Madali lang i-understand yung matrix kapag alam mo kung paano gamitin ito at ano yung mga side na i-add. So thank you for listening guys. I hope you understand, and more videos to come. Comment lang kayo. Goodbye!